Welcome, everyone.
Fica quieta, tu.
The one true king of the backyard jungle. Another reason why you should load trucks on flat roads.
Grandpa got run over by a tractor chasing his truck on Christmas Eve.
Bet she wishes she had called in sick.
Oh, Viv!
Excellent.
Get off the car. Get off. I wanted to scratch it.
It's okay.
Viv! Go. Go.
We'll see if insurance covers that. I got it all on video. It's fine.
Oh, no, it's not mine. Mine is right there.
Okay. Well, there you go. Thank you.
No one respects the Oklahoma PD anymore.
That's my hood, dude.
Viv, get off the car.
I'll pull out as soon as you get it off.
This exact fort became a minor UK tourist spot, with people parking just to watch cars misjudge the depth.
Oh my God.
When words don't work, farmers apparently have a backup plan. Poop! Demonstration of how England was knocked out of the World Cup. Tractors, the first autonomous vehicles.
Trailer, bring it back.
If you wanted. Uh-oh.
Oh, okay. Well,
Mary, just let him go.
let him go.
When a big girl decides to break out, there ain't nothing gonna stop her.
What do you got? So, it'll be all right.
Murphy's Law has a farm address, apparently.
Okay, so people are doing this thing where they're giving eggs to dogs because apparently they know how gentle it is. And the
Some
eggs
dogs
break,
guard the
so
farm.
try
This
with
one
black and
just
see what it
vibes.
does.
Well, little Biggie has not had the best day. Seems as if Mama Rosie has accidentally on his head.
Biggie did not sign up for this kind of Tuesday.
Sorry, son.
Hey, get this guy in a talent show.
Right. Which one of you was it? Whose is it? Whose is it?
Congratulations! You're a parent now.
Yes, you can.
Excuse me, Tessie Belle.
The chair filed for retirement immediately after this.
You want some help? Come on.
One moment, and things go south on the ranch.
Shot my nose.
This chicken has developed an effective protective strategy. How do you recover from this?
Do it!
Just marking its territory. Anger management isn't a farm service, unfortunately. This tractor just unlocked a new sport. And this is why you always load a skid steer facing forward. Allegedly. Should have seen that coming, to be fair.
Any farms out there with jobs going, let me know. I've just been sacked because I'm a useless farmer.
Okay, maybe don't overload the trailer next time.
It went something like something, don't fill it too full. I think I filled it too full.
Seems like it's the first day on the job.
Are you teasing him?
This wasn't the welcome she envisioned. She couldn't find her calf, so she enlisted the big guns to help.
All right, let me open the gate. Hold up. Yeah, watch it. Come on. Yeah, watch it. Move. Oh. I know darn well.
Feeding time is no joke on this farm.
I know that ain't just happened. Why I know that ain't just happened just now? Boom, about to swing on the cow.
So, these sheep call. Oh,
This would be my last farm day.
how the f did they get out?
New workout, catch the pig or lose your pride.
I can't breathe.